Once there was a ghost that lived in this very house, and his name was Dan.
The ghost?
That ghost, yeah. Dan Ghost. And if you come upstairs with him again, he will bite your head off.
Yeah.
And Mommy is a ghost too. And she's gonna come bite your head off. And she's gonna hurt you.
I'm going in.
There's a ghost behind you. Oh, there's a ghost behind you, Kane.
There's no ghost.
Kane, there's a ghost behind you. Look right there. Kane, there's a ghost behind you. Kane, there's a ghost behind you.
There's no ghost. They're out there.
And Dan's gonna come get you. They're not even a ghost now. And I'm gonna bite your head off. Okay. If you go out to the living room and go see Mommy,